Wasserbauer, the family-owned Austrian manufacturer, have developed a robotic feeding system called the Butler. The Butler robotic feeding system can bring significant benefits by increasing yields, reducing inputs, or a combination of both. The individual feeding strategy will determine which benefit applies. The Butler matches the cow's natural feeding pattern, and by delivering small quantities of concentrates throughout the 24-hour day, increases the intake of the basic fodder mix. Fundamentally, the Butler system still uses the existing TMR ration produced by a mixer wagon, with either all or some of the concentrates delivered via the robot. Whether a mixer wagon or a feed box is used is immaterial to the Butler. The Butler also sweeps the fodder back to the feed fence on every pass, whilst depositing a few grams of concentrates, therefore stimulating the cows to come to the feed fence. This can be observed on the right-hand screen, and a comparison is made with the left-hand screen, which follows a typical once or twice daily feed. The right-hand screen illustrates the interest and the feeding every time the Butler passes, and this is repeated throughout the 24 hours. The Butler computer can be programmed to deliver specific amounts of concentrates to specific areas of the feed passage. The Butler, on completion of a feed run, returns to a docking station for recharge of battery and automatic refill of its concentrates. In essence, the Butler robotic feeding system encourages the cow to eat like a grazing animal, and therefore eats more basic fodder, and thus brings performance benefits.